You got clutch.
What's going on, people? It's your main man, Johnny Clutch Coins, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto, back at you again with another crypto-related video. All right, so what you're seeing right in front of you is our Johnny Clutch Twitter page. So I post all the stuff that I go through. This is NBA Top Shot stuff I was dealing with the other day. But if we scroll down, these are videos that I've posted. If we keep scrolling down here, what we'll see is this post right here. So a couple of days ago, I posted after watching this on Voscoin and really being curious about it, was about Satt Token, right? So I was like, shout out to Voscoin for showing me Satt Token, social media with the power of blockchain. If you got followers, earn crypto posting, right? Ad pool. So, hashtag ad pool, hashtag forum post, da 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 da. So, Satt Token allows you to get paid for posting on social media. So, if you got a Twitter, if you got an Instagram, you got a Facebook, you got a YouTube, you can participate in some of their ad campaigns and receive some of the Satt tokens for that campaign because you posted. When you get into the actual Satt interface here are the actual pools. Here's the one that we are currently in. And if we go to post forming here, we can see that we harvested 244 Satt tokens that we received for that post that you just saw on Twitter. It was shared one time, it was liked 4 times, and it was viewed 124 times. Obviously, I'm not the most important person on Twitter. So if you are, you could probably make even more because I just checked my wallet on those 244 tokens that I collected, and I have $25.47 from that post on Twitter. Are you hearing me? I got paid. I'm not a heavy duty influencer. I'm just a regular guy posting information that I find interesting, things that I'm actually doing around the crypto space, collections of sports collectibles, NFTs, and the whole nine. Just random things that my nerdy behind likes. And I just got paid $25 in Satt token for making that post on my Twitter page. So here's the thing. If you got some followers on Instagram, you got some people on your Facebook, even your family members, I guess you could post to Facebook or something like that. But the current ad pools are here. This one is French. So these are the same one, but this one's in English, this one's in French, and you can only do one or the other, right? After I do this video, I'm probably going to post this video on YouTube, post my YouTube here and try to get into this one here. And then this one is over. But I wanted to see if it worked. Shout out to Voscoin for posting it. See, I forgot to even turn off my email when I started making this video. I got emails popping up at the same time while I'm trying to record. That's how excited I am about this. Anyway, hopefully, if you are running a YouTube channel, and I know some people are, thinking, if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have a following on one of these other platforms, like Twitter, you already have a following on Twitter, then definitely jump in and get started. The only thing you really have to do is sign up. I'll leave a link down below. You sign up for this for Satt in general, and you tie into your link your information and your social media into your account, and then you come in here and you'll select like ad pools. Let me see. I'll click apply here, right? So you click apply, and then what you do, you click participate, and then you would, meet all the criteria and conditions here, right? You can't post more than once. There's a lot of rules up in here. Make sure you read the rules. Make sure you read the prerequisites. Make sure that, you follow the rules at how to participate, only posting 1 tweet per week. Make sure that you copy and paste the tweet in when you go to participate. And then the only other thing is you have to do is that once you create your account, it's going to give you a wallet address. So you want to take your wallet address here and then you want to send a little bit of BNB, Binance token, to this for the transactions, to process your transactions there. I think I sent a very small amount. Let me see if I can go to Binance right quick. Go to Binance. Oh, I had this much BNB. I sent a very small amount of BNB. I think it was like point zero something BNB to it, because otherwise you'll get an error saying that you don't have enough to pay the gas to process you being added into a particular campaign, things of that nature. So, you know, I mean, I think that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Go sign up for this if you have Twitter, if you have YouTube, and start posting and start getting paid to post in crypto. Pretty awesome. At any rate, you know, I'm your man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto. I am for the people, by the people. You only got me and the Constitution, man. Please remember that.